Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download offline resort maps on the Slopes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the resorts button down below, which is the second option. After that, you should select a location either from the map or type it in into the search bar at the top. But if you scroll down, you can also choose from the bookmarked section, meaning that these are the items that you have added to this section by yourself, and you can also select one from the popular now section. As you scroll down, you can find this download map for offline, so you can save mobile data and battery life. So click on this button, and here you will be able to download it if you have a premium. But you can also check out how it looks like by tapping on the view trail map icon. So that will be the one that you can download. You can zoom in, and you can also share it by tapping on this share button in the upper right corner of the screen via AirDrop, Messages, Messenger, and other social networking sites. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.